Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing like what trades I have taken and whether I got the profit or loss and the reason behind the trades and the setup behind the trades. So coming to my positions, I have taken two trades today, in which I got in Astral I got like 12% profit, and here it's 687 loss. Like here like 6% some loss was there here. So first trade was in Tata Motors, then in Astral. And if you see at my orders, so first I tried to at 9:37, I tried to take a trade in Glenmark, but unfortunately I didn't get the trade because I'll show the setup there. So here Glenmark was has taken on the day's low, first candle's day's low. So I wanted to enter in this candle, but unfortunately I didn't get, and this was my stop loss and target. And before the trade gets executed, my target was achieved. So I had to cancel that order. Then I picked up Tata Motors. So if you open Tata Motors, so in Tata Motors, around here also the same setup. First 5 minutes candle was taken out here, and I got alerted. And somewhere here, 10 in this candle, I think 10:15 now. 10:50, yeah. Then this candle, somewhere in this candle or in this candle, I have taken the trade. My stop loss was very minimal. This was a stop loss. If at all it gets touched, like days high gets touched, then I'll come out of the trade. If not, there was a good reward for this. So I have to take this trade, but unfortunately, my stop loss got hit and I have to come out of the trade, giving 600 to the market. Now, again, I got one more trade in Astral. So in Astral, the setup was very much clear. So in Astral, what happened? This was the setup. So this trend line was the setup. So it was taking a support here. So third time it broke and I was waiting for a comeback. So here was a retracement. Then again it broke in this candle in 10:15. In the 10:15 candle itself, I have taken the entry with minimum stop loss. My stop loss was this and my target was this. The below line 1265 was my target. But unfortunately, what happened? It was coming down. But here somewhere in 10:45 candle, if I'm not wrong, in the orders, yeah, 10:46 in the 10:45 candle, I have to exit because I got a call from my office saying that there has been an ad hoc interview scheduled. So it was better to come out of the trade. But later on, it went back and touched the trend line again, and my target was achieved before hitting the stop loss. If I would have continued it, I would have definitely got some good returns here. Like here, I have to at 1800, approximately at 1800, I have to stop my trade, but I believe it would have gone till 3000. Like 20% minimum was there. I would have got 20% there. Like it's 130, but still second time also my target got achieved. Like there was some pullback, but still it's in a good trade. Like this was the trade. These were the trades that I have taken, and that's it in this video. Hope you guys liked it or you learned something like how to take a trade. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.